you can watch the video in my backyard and you tell me which one is better. The one in my house, you can listen to the voice, you can hear what's going on in my driveway. It has a built-in microphone and a speaker. You can speak, you can talk with the person if you want. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again. As you guys know, I opened a shop a couple months ago, and one of the things is so important for shop owners, business owners, it's security and safety. And I have to consider that because we have a lot of customers' cars, we have our own cars and our own assets in the shop, outside in the backyard, and we need to take care of them. I was thinking what I need to do, what step I need to take in order to save my butt from the problems in the future. If something happened, someone broke inside the shop, someone come and steal customers' cars, catalytic converter, and we set up an alarm. We just signed up at ADT company to get the alarm system. They install sensors inside the shop, inside the office. If someone break in, the alarm goes off and they call the cops, they call us, and they let us know something going on. And then next step, okay, this is for inside. What are we gonna do for outside? I called the company, same company, and I asked them for cameras. We have cameras in the house. We have cameras in the previous house that I bought. Ring cameras, they were fine. We used them for almost 2-3 years and still I'm using it. And I really liked it. But I said, this is shop. I don't mind spending a little bit more money, and actually it's not a little bit. It's huge expense for somebody like me that I start, I already under the huge expenses for running this shop and starting the business here. And I said, okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go through this expenses. How much? They said 16 channel. We start with 2 cameras, one in front, one in the back, and then we will keep adding cameras. For beginning, it's like $1,200. Then each camera is gonna be $200 and $2 per recording for each camera. So we can add it. I said, okay, that's fine. I said, can we see license plate? They said, yes, we can see license plate. It's gonna be 4 megapixel, high quality cameras. After they installed it, I found out, nope, they were sucked. They were worse than Ring cameras. My first attempt to get ADT high quality cameras with this price, it was so I can see license plate, I can see faces. And I'm gonna show you 2 videos. No faces, no license plates in this video. One is from my driveway, my house. Another one, it's a backyard in my shop. And you as a viewer, just compare it. The one in my house, it's a $200, same camera, $280 Ring camera with a sensor, move detector or whatever, and LED light, and same camera. I have it, this is not the same camera, but same camera we installed in the house. You can watch the video and you can watch the video in my backyard and you tell me which one is better. The one in my house, you can listen to the voice, you can hear what's going on in my driveway. It has a built-in microphone and a speaker. You can speak, you can talk with the person if you want. Sometimes I use them to contact my wife because she's not answering the phone, and I find her somewhere around the house because we installed a couple of them around the house, and we call her and she answers the phone. And then come to this one. No LED light, no built-in camera, and no built-in microphone and speaker. You cannot talk, you cannot hear anything. And quality, you tell me. When you zoom in, it's blur out. You can't see license plate, you cannot see face, unfortunately. And I don't know what kind of quality they were talking about, they were promising to me, but it wasn't the quality that I was expected, because I was under the impression if I get ADT, this famous company, ADT security company, it should be good, right? It should be really good quality company. But unfortunately, it wasn't. It was very bad. Right now it's Saturday afternoon. We already closed the shop. Now I'm gonna show you the camera they installed. It's outside. Yeah, not the one is upside down, the one on the side next to the laser or whatever, the sensor. And unfortunately, it's not doing the job it's supposed to do it. One thing they didn't tell me, it was really interesting. As soon as they installed it, I checked the camera, I checked the car in the backyard, and I looked at the license plate, it was blurry. I contacted them. And the guy he sold this to me, I don't want to use his name, he was kind of upset at me. He said, no, I know I'm here long enough to know what I'm selling. I said, hey, I'm here long enough to know what I'm trying to buy. I specifically mentioned I need to see the license plate because it's happened before to me. The previous shop that I had, someone stole a car. It wasn't someone intentionally, stealing the car. Someone came and his car got fixed and he picked up the car and he left without paying. And I called the cops and I checked the camera and the car was inside the shop, but we didn't took his license plate. And that was the things. The cop were asking me, what's the license plate? So I don't know. And then I asked, I need to see the license plate. That's the question that I had. And unfortunately, it failed. And the things they didn't tell me you have 3 days to cancel your contract. And if I was waiting for 2 more days, I couldn't get this back and I have to pay every month $100-something for something that I don't like. I called him. He said, okay, I'm gonna call my boss. He called his boss and then he called me yesterday. He said, let's call the company, let's cancel this. I said, okay. And I was on the phone. He called the corporation and the corporation they were pushing us. Hey, I was under the impression when I sold camera, it's sold. We don't go back and take it. I said, yes, you don't go back and take it if I wait. I just start complaining at the first second the guy he stepped outside, the guy he installed the camera. And I said, I don't like it. Come and take it. I don't want this. I don't want to pay any penny for this because my Ring camera is far better than this. It has LED lights. It has a speaker, built-in microphone. You can touch. And if you pay $3 every month, it records 24 hours. Yes. And you already bought the cameras. We already have a couple of them. We installed 2 of them in the office. We're gonna install a couple inside the shop, a couple outside in the backyard. It's the most important place, and 2 in the front. How much you're gonna spend? Probably around if you buy a most expensive one, they're like $300, but we're not. The cheapest one and the good price are around $99. If you buy 6, they are enough. 6 of them is gonna be $600. Installation is super easy. We can do it by ourselves. I did it in my house. $600 and every month $3. We're gonna record 24 hours and we know what's going on in the shop. That was the things that I was going through with ADT. I don't know other security companies out there, they do the same thing. They promise and they deliver something else. What they say is they over promise, they under deliver, something like that. I don't know. But I think that's what's happening right now with ADT with me. And I'm glad I just initiate that return processing without knowing, because they didn't tell me you have 3 days. Sometimes when I buy stuff, I wait a couple days, taste it, maybe I like it. When my partner told me, hey, just wait, I said, no, I don't need this. I'm gonna install Ring cameras. They are far better quality. Better quality, what's this? I can't see anything. I can't see the face. It's just a couple feet away from camera. I don't need this camera. I can get the better camera installed by myself. I don't need to pay this much money every month, right? For alarm, yes. I cannot install alarm, something to control it 24/7. I like have someone to control it, call me, let the police know if something happened or someone break in. But other than that, the camera, I think we're fine. I have a friend, he's a cop. He came yesterday here and I asked him what step I can take to measure this security things. And he said, just have a camera, something installed by yourself. It doesn't matter. As long as you can see the face, they're fine. I think I'm gonna do that and just, I'm not gonna add another payment every month for my list. I already have a lot of payments. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you're opening a business and you need a camera, I think it's better to go ahead and install your own. You're gonna get a better deal, I'm sure. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.